Magidoo offers a simple solution to solve your toughest parts cleaning challenges with the X51 Parts Washer Series. Magidoo parts washers are designed to reduce labor costs, increase productivity, and deliver exceptional cleaning results by using the power of jet spray cleaning action and eco-friendly detergents. With 4 models to choose from, the X51 series gives you the flexibility to select the washer that best fits your working space requirements. Each washer is manufactured in 304 stainless steel and features a unique clamshell design that brings cleaning power closer to your parts for maximum cleaning results. Standard design features include 2 stainless steel pumps and 2 sets of spray bars, each with calibrated spray nozzles to ensure that your parts are clean from every possible angle. With no sharp edges, the automatic turntable is powered by an external drive system for worry-free operation. The stainless steel oil skimmer and screen filter canister remove solids and floating oils to increase the life of the cleaning solution. Standard safety features include 24-volt electrical design, automatic door shutoff switch, liquid level sensor, and emergency stop button located on the control panel. We offer several performance options that allow you to customize each washer to meet your process specifications.